How to withdraw your Shiden network coin SDN to Kucoin exchange. Open your Astar dashboard where you have your SDN coin balance, then click on Transfer button. It will prompt you here where you can fill out the deposit address where you want to send your SDN coin. In this example, I will use Kucoin exchange. Now, open your Kucoin exchange account. Click on the Asset tab and then click on Deposit button. Type SDN on the search bar and click on SDN that will pop out at the bottom. It will prompt you here, then just click on Copy Address button. After you have already copied your SDN address from Kucoin exchange, go back here and paste your Kucoin SDN address. Then type the exact amount that you would like to withdraw, always double check and then confirm. Then paste your password here from your Polkadot wallet extension in order to confirm your transaction. Then just wait for a few minutes to complete your withdrawals.
A few moments later.
And after a few minutes, I have already received my SDN coin from my Kucoin account. That's all. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell button. That would be greatly appreciated.